good, sir, ma'am.
Input na.
Kami na ka mo pangakot mo.
Yes.
Nice, lot of
So, supposed to be mukat-kata dito, pero wato pa man tag Kabilin, wato pa man tag ka ng nursery. So, we will just manage our time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Dari tagi. Keep on.
Ay, pang blush on din eh. Rhea. Pang blush on.
Ay, pero sarap po ah.
Pwede squeeze ko eh.
Ah.
Ay mo kabalaka kay niagi ni siya water test from the University of San Carlos.
Yummy.
One, two, three, let's go!
Amidst all chaos, there is peace in the presence of God.
Just like the Reverend Abraham, go with the flow lang ta. Go with the flow. You can still stand firm.
I mean, I'm just so amazed. Mabalik to ko din yung star. Balik.
Ito sa nga tagas na rin tayo mong church nga mo ari para kuanoy.
Climate emergency na daw karon, pero ang yet, ang ating mga ko sa mga tao,
Wala.
oo niya, baha, sila, pero mainit na gani, okay na sila.
Panahon sa tinginit din.
Halos kino, hindi mo supas. Hala, nakalimot na ko ninyo. Ang katong makaon nga fern tuas sa river.
Nawagin na balik na.
Balik na? Balik!
Tanawa. Re. Ate sure to. Sa may lang.
Hinahingay lang! Yes! Is everyone here? The bamboos that we have are bug catcher. Other than elevation, if you see,
percent of greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide, and the food of the bamboo is carbon dioxide, because the bamboo consumes 400 times more carbon dioxide than anything else in the world. 400 times more.
So we need to plant more bamboo.
To be able to, at least ang akong realization then is, if you want to make a dent on climate change, more so if you want to change climate change, you have to plant a lot of bamboos because we are so far behind.